As we've been travel vlogging for the past couple years, Keenan the whole time has been suffering with a massive shoulder injury. We have been trying everything to heal it, from traditional rehab to Ayurveda to Chinese medicine, and really nothing worked. Finally, we got an MRI and learned he actually needs a very complex and very expensive surgery to fix many ligaments in his shoulder, and there's a broken bone. So we are going to Thailand at one of the best hospitals in the world with one of the best surgeons in Southeast Asia for shoulders. So we're going to get this fixed. We're going to take you along on our journey, and we hope this is interesting, informative, and fun for you.
Hey guys, so today we have some exciting news. I'm about to fly to Bangkok to undergo shoulder surgery. I'm going to Bumrungrad International Hospital, which I hear is super geared up for medical tourism, and I'm having it with Sosei, one of the best doctors in Southeast Asia. He's renowned to being the best at shoulder surgery in all of Southeast Asia. He does a lot of what do they call it? Professional sports players. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it goes. Am I nervous? I'm nervous about the cost, and I'm nervous at the waiting to get it done. I'm not too bothered about the actual surgery and how it's gonna feel after. I just want to get on the road to recovery, you know.
Made it to Bangkok. We are here. Here is our very, very big room, and tonight is the night where we're going to the hospital and having...
Oh, look at my belly. We're going to the hospital, and I'm checking in. I'm having my surgery at 4 a.m. in the morning.
He's going to be staying in the hotel of the hospital for 3 nights. How are you feeling?
Just a bit anxious. Just want to get it done. I'm just anxious about the I don't know, it's been anxious booking it in, and I'm just anxious about that after. Just being in the hospital. I'm just going to want to go home, you know?
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Well, no, you're not, because you're going to be on drugs and you're going to be loopy. So you'll be fine. Okay. Keenan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
When we arrived, we actually had a post-op appointment with the doctor, and then he got some blood tests done just to make sure everything's all right. We got pricing sorted. I think total, how much are you paying?
Don't want to know.
I think 11,000 Great British pounds. No insurance. So we're going to see how that is.
Yeah. This is supposedly the best hospital in Asia. And then it's one of the best in the world.
Yes.
And then I'm having the best surgeon in Southeast Asia.
Yeah, this guy's one of the top surgeons in the world, so
there's a lot of reasons why it's a bit more money. But getting the top level of care, you know. Exactly. That's positive.
You know, when I had knee surgeries in the United States, and I paid for health insurance, and I still had to pay about $10K out of pocket for each one. I had two in 1 year. That was rough. But anyways, so let's see how this goes. We're gonna head over to the hospital now. Keenan's checking into his room. How fabulous. Here's Keenan's room. Oh, cute. There's your little bed, Keen.
Oh no.
Keenan, it's gonna be comfortable. You need to be happy that, look, you have a little microwave. What a treat. You know what? This is great. Okay, here's the shower. Nice. Bathroom. Standard. Very clean. Very spacious. I'm impressed. Can you guys believe 3 nights of this are covered within his surgery? And that is unheard of in the United States. Let me tell you, I've had 3 knee surgeries and they've all wheeled me out immediately. And even on one of my surgeries, my grandpa's a doctor and he was like, I was way too quick.
Ooh, cheesecake, cookies, and bakery.
Oh, you have a little menu, Keenan? Ooh, some cakes, some cookies. Wow, what a little treat. Oh my gosh. A little gourmet menu.
Ooh.
You're in Thailand too. This food's gonna slap. Oh, you gotta get the Thai food.
Right?
No, look, the Thai food.
Yeah.
Ooh, Burmese, Khmer, like Cambodian, Bangladeshi, Japanese. What?
Ice cream, gelato.
Oh my gosh, you're really gonna be living the
Indian
dream.
Yes, McDonald's.
Oh god, a little McDonald's menu. The nurse made my bed. Keenan's getting me some blankets for my little cot. Little slippers on.
Oh, I can put my washing in here.
Keenan's really worried about what he does with his laundry. His first thought when we were here, I was like, wow, this place is so nice. It's just like, where am I gonna put my laundry? He's neurotic. I think this injury is making him more neurotic.
There we go. Here's your bed.
Thank you. That looks amazing. Keenan's getting a wake up at 3 a.m. and then at 4, surgery. So we'll see you at 3 a.m. Okay. Okay, we got the IV on. Here it goes. Bye-bye, Keen. Okay, so the doctor and the nurses just called me and they said the surgery is successful. The doctor said, I fixed his shoulder, so that's good. He's in the recovery room now for 2 hours. Keenan's back, as irritable as ever. Apparently right after his surgery, he really needed to go to the bathroom and he was all loopy and then they tried to help him and he didn't want to do it in front of them. So then he just like went to the bathroom himself right after. Naughty.
Well, they all surround me.
Yeah, apparently.
And then I sat up like this with, sort of like lifted my covers and stuck like a porta potty under my penis. And I'm just sat there with everyone around me like.
It's funny.
And then I tried to get up to go pee. And then they're all in the room like waiting for me to pee. And I'm like, give me some privacy.
Keenan.
I get stage fright. I need to pee. That was good though.
Are you in pain?
Yeah.
You're in pain right now?
Well, I'm just sore and numb. It's like this whole side of my body, this left side is like just heavy.
Yeah. Okay, welcome to day 2 of Keenan's surgery, and actually he's getting discharged today. Keenan, how you doing?
I'm cool.
Wow, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I feel like obviously the drugs are worn off.
Mm-hmm.
I feel pain, but not too much. For like 3 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's more of a numbness at the moment. I'm not allowed to do any of this for a while.
Has it been difficult navigating a Thai hospital?
No, they've been really good, to be honest.
Yeah.
They've been amazing, and like the doctors been really
Do
good.
they all speak perfect English?
They all speak perfect English. Like the service is amazing. I buzz my buzzer, they come and see me.
You loved it.
You're
I've got
so-
a lady that will go downstairs and get me food.
They're so friendly.
But yeah, they've been really nice. This has been a great experience, you know.
Yeah.
Really taking care of me.
I know.
Come in,
Bumrungrad.
done my meds.
Mm-hmm.
It's been good to stay here.
That's
And
great.
the hotel is awesome,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, it is. Look at this. Like, this is very abnormal for a hotel room. That's right. Or for a hospital room.
View's
And the
cool.
views and right, unreal. And there's Felipe. There is Felipe.
Food's good as well.
There's literally a cheesecake stand here. There's gelato over here. Fresh hotel.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
It's cool.
Phil, what do you think about this? This hospital,
So they have so many shops now.
right?
It feels like a mall.
It does feel like a mall.
Will someone try to do that now?
Back to my shoulder saga, episode 512, season 28, finale season hopefully. So I'm actually back in the hospital today for a checkup, a wound check. Post-op wound check. We're gonna see how my wounds are, how my stitches are.
How's it been going?
Yeah, it's been alright. It's been painful, you know.
The one crazy thing about Keenan's surgery recovery is that for pain medication, he's only getting Tylenol. And so I think, in my experience, I've been on harder stuff, so
Yeah,
it's crazy.
let me tell you,
It's crazy.
it doesn't really touch the sides. Perfect, good.
Okay.
Okay, nobody's...
It's been 2 months since Keenan's had his surgery, and it was a massive success. He's doing well with his rehab, and he should be back to normal in about 6 months. We recommend this hospital and this surgeon to anyone who's traveling to Thailand or who wants a new experience with a different medical system.